Hello everyone, myself Deepa Dadhaniya. I'm from Monarch University in PhD Microbiology. My conference paper title is Biodegradation of Textile Dyes Using Native Microbial Strains and Eco-Friendly Approach. Textile industries are among the major contributors to environmental pollution due to the discharge of large volumes of dye containing wastewater into aquatic ecosystem. Synthetically, textile dyes are often toxic, non biodegradable, and resistant to conventional wastewater treatment method, posing serious threats to environmental and human health. The accumulations of textile dyes in water bodies reduce light penetrations, affect aquatic life, and introduces carcinogenic and mutagenic compounds into the ecosystem. In recent years, biological treatment methods using microorganisms have emerged as sustainable and eco-friendly alternatives for the degradation and removal of textile dyes from industrial effluents. This paper explores the biodegradation of textile dyes using the native microbial strains as an environmentally sustainable approach for wastewater treatment. The study examines the potential of indigenous bacteria, fungi, and microbial consortia isolated from contaminated environments for degrading synthetic textile dyes under controlled conditions. Special emphasis is placed on microbiological adaptations, enzymatic degradation mechanisms, and the ability of native microorganism to utilize dye compound as a carbon or energy source. The research further investigates factors influencing microbial dye degradation efficiency, including pH, temperature, dye concentrations, nutrient availability, and incubation condition. Enzymes such as lactase, azoreductase, and peroxidase produced by microbial strains play a significant role in breaking down complex dye like azodyes, etc. structures into the less toxic compounds. The study also evaluates and the environmental advantages of microbiological biodegradation over conventional physical and chemical treatment methods in terms of cost effectiveness, low sludge generation, and reduce secondary pollution. The finding revealed that native microbial strains possess a significant biodegradation potentials for efficient decolorization and detoxifying the of textile dyes. The study highlights the growing importance of microbial bioremediation techniques in promoting sustainable wastewater management and environmental protection. It further emphasizes the need for developing large scale eco friendly biotechnological solutions for industrial effluent treatment and pollution control. Thank you, that's for it.
Namaskar. In this review session chair, I have reviewed the paper of Deepa Dadhaniya, who work as a PhD students into the Monarch Universities. He has represented in his paper entitled as a biodegradation of textile using microbial strain and its eco-friendly approach. As we all know, it is very important topic as well as one of the applied topic, because today's world is concerned with the pollution right now. So biodegradation is one of the applicable techniques, and it is also one of the techniques which will be helpful for the entire mankind. So in this paper, they have scrutinized and isolated a bacteria which is itself doing a degradation of textile dyes. So as we all know, the textile dyes is one of the carcinogenic and mutagenic agent, and so they have isolated bacterial, fungal and different microbes which is able to degrade a particular pollutant, and this will help to reduce pollution and as well as the mutagenicity and carcinogenicity of a particular component. Again, she has done a very good work, but again I would like to add something more into this. One of the major things that we need to put weight onto this title, that is eco-friendly approach. So we also need to do the identification of particular bacteria, specifically a strain specific, and again we need to find out the pathway which is related for this biodegradation concern. So cake is one of the technique, or cake pathway analysis. It is one of the bioinformatic applications that we can do further and to make this particular research more impactful. So by using a medium optimizations, by preparing the microbial consortium after identification, and by doing this cake pathway analysis, this research would be more impactful as it is right now, but it will add flavor, more fragrance to the gold, I would say. Namaskar. Myself Dr. Divyarajsinh Jadeja. It's my honor and privilege to work as a review session chair on a virtual conference with relevance to Viksit Bharat, organized by Vedant Education System. I would like to thank Dr. Arjun Dave and the team of entire Vedant Education System for providing me the opportunity for the same, and definitely I would be the tiny part into the Viksit Bharat footsteps towards or by 2047.